Let's discuss the Chong Mai penetrating vessel, the pathway, part 2. Penetrating vessel opening point, spleen 4, focal point, pericardium 6, starting point, REN 1. Area of the body influence, feet, medial aspect of the legs, uterus, lumbar spine, abdomen, chest, heart, throat, face, and head. The penetrating vessel is very complex as it has many different functions at different levels. In a way, it could be considered to be the origin of the other extraordinary vessels, excluding governing and directing vessels, as it originates in between the kidneys and spreads its qi all over the abdomen and chest and all over the body at the defensive qi level. When this energy arrives at the relevant starting points, it gives rise to the yin and yang linking vessels, the yin and yang stepping vessels, and the girdle vessel. In modern Chinese, the word Chong means to infuse, charge, rush, dash, but also thoroughfare. Important place, Chinese book says that in the context of the Chong Mai, Chong has also the meaning of J street, Dong, activity movement, Xing, movement, and Tong, free passage. All these words and the attributes they represent apply to the penetrating vessel, and it is difficult to choose a single English name for it. The word penetrating, as it combines the idea of brushing with that of straight channels that penetrate the body. The idea of penetrating is also related to the penetration of membranes and channels by the penetrating vessels. The penetrating vessel is described as the sea of the 5 yin and 6 yang organs, the sea of the 12 channels, and the sea of blood. It is described as the sea of the 5 yin and 6 yang organs, as it is a fundamental vessel which connects the pre-heaven and the post-heaven qi, due to its connection with kidneys and stomach. It is connected to the kidneys as it originates in that area and it distributes essence all over the body. It is connected to the stomach as it passes through the point stomach 30, which is a point for the sea of food. Furthermore, the penetrating vessel is connected to the spleen, liver, and kidney channels along which it flows on the inner aspect of the leg down to the big toe. It is called the sea of the 12 channels because it branches out in many small capillary-like vessels that circulate defensive qi over the abdomen and chest. It is called the sea of blood because it is related to the blood in the uterus and because it controls all the blood connecting channels. Bearing in mind the comparison of the 8 extraordinary vessels to a family group discussed above, the penetrating vessel is the father within this group and therefore the most important member, the center of the family nucleus and the beginning of the family. Okay. So we have here the illustration of penetrating vessel as it moves up and down. Okay. The penetrating vessel, summary of pathway, internal branch, originates inside the lower abdomen, flows through the uterus, and emerges at the perineum at REN 1. Next to the abdominal branch, it emerges at stomach 30, connects with the kidney channel at kidney 11, and ascends through the kidney channel to kidney 21, then disperses in the chest and breast. Next, head branch ascends alongside the throat, chin, curves around the lips, and terminates below the eyes. The spinal branch emerges from REN 1 and ascends inside the lumbar spine to the level of bladder 23. Descending branch emerges from stomach 30. It descends along the inner aspect of the thigh and lower leg to the internal malleolus. On the foot at the heel, it separates, one branch going to the arc to connect with the kidney channel, and another branch going to the big toe to connect with the liver channel. Points of the penetrating vessel, we have the REN 1, stomach 30, all kidney points from kidney 11 to kidney 21.